Lynette here, and this is about the 18th time that I have started this video. So, hello. Today I have brought with me my 22 items that I will be panning during 2022. So I've seen loads of my YouTube friends doing this, and I thought I'm going to join in because I do love a panning project and I do love to go through and use up my projects. As you'll know, I tend to open one project and use it until it's finished. However, with this panning project, I will probably do it alongside using up some other products. So I'm going to dive right in. I actually picked this up from Home Bargains, and on the front it will tell you what it was destined for. It was destined for the kitchen, so it's got in the cupboard. However, it's the perfect size for me to bring everything downstairs. So it might just stay in this for a wee while until I reduce it. For me, in previous years, it's always kind of benefited me to keep my panning project items all in one place. Otherwise, I forget all about them. I forget where they are when it comes to doing an update video as well. So if I keep them all in the bathroom, for most of them, it will benefit me. For some of them, it'll hinder me. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to show you the items that I've picked. So I've picked products that I really will enjoy using as well. I think you can't, you know, just use products that you want to use up and get finished, and I've done that in the past with some items and it's been quite horrible because it's felt like a chore. However, most of the things in here I'm really excited about using. So firstly, I'm going to show you this. So it's a massive one. So it's the Ritual of Happy Buddha, and it's Buddha Belly Body Cream, Sweet Orange and Cedar Wood. Now look at the size of that. I love the packaging. And there is 200 mils. So you will see the lid is still on. So what we'll just have to do with this one is eyeball it. Smells amazing. You know, so I'll be able to say, yeah, I've used this a couple of times, or, you know, we've got down this far. Oh, I'm going to just rub a little bit on. It's quite a thick cream. I can feel that already absorbing into my skin. It smells amazing. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. So product panning for me, when I'm putting in things like body lotions, it means I will, you know, kind of be really good and use body lotions after my showers a couple of times a week. It does help when you use them frequently. The next item I put in here is Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub with eucalyptus and spearmint. So that's that. And how much is in here? There is 454 grams or 16 ounce of product. It smells amazing. Peppermint and spearmint, actually, and eucalyptus. So again, probably just eyeball this and tell you how I'm getting on. The next one is a huge hair mask by Ecotherapy Revive. This is the one that uses the ocean waste plastic. I've not tried this before, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. Oh, it smells amazing. So again, it'll just be a case of eyeballing it, saying, you know, use some, or we're halfway there, or, you know, however we get on. It's easier with the clear bottles, so I can actually show you the use. So talking about clear bottles, I've picked up this Ritual's Sugar Love Sparkling Body Mist, the Ritual of Holy. So this is flamingo flower and pink grapefruit, and there is 150 mils. Smells amazing. I'm looking forward to using that. There is also the Lucura Pineapple Micro Dermabrasion Scrub with pineapple enzyme. 100 mils of that now. This is actually really lovely. I'm sure I've tried this before. And it is a product that I enjoy. However, I have two little scrubs in the bathroom that will need to be used up first before I can start on this. I have also got this one's going to take a while to use up. It's the Lucura Vitamin C Hot Cloth Cleanser. There's 200 mils here, so for all skin types. So that will take a while, sorry, for me to use that up. There is also a mask. Now I popped this in because I keep forgetting to use it. I put it out on the shelf and I always forget. And it's by Glow. It says Your Time to Glow Rapid Morning Mask. So it quick fix for dull skin with vitamin C, instantly brighter and more vibrant skin, time to glow. So there's 60 mils there, and you put it on damp skin and leave it on for, was it 2 or 3 minutes? So yep, I'm looking forward to it. So you can actually see through the bottle, so I'll be able to line it from where I've started. The next one is definitely another product that you'll be able to see my usage. Now this is brand new, however, it's a huge bottle and I don't do very well with perfumes at all. So this is L'Occitane and this is the Cherry Blossom. Smells absolutely gorgeous, and the only reason I'm putting this in the panning project is because I want to actually use it. So most of my perfumes I keep in the toilet down here, but I'm going to keep this up in my bathroom so that I remember to use it. That's the plan anyway. The next one here is one that kind of probably struggle more with than others. Is Oleus 100% pure cold pressed jojoba oil. So it's natural daily support for hydrating hair and skin. So I do normally struggle with face oils because they can be quite heavy, and this is 50 mils. However, you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your skin. So I will do a combination of both, and I'm really looking forward to trying that as well. I also have this OK Illuminating Serum, 30 mils. So I'll pop that in because I've got a couple of these and I really need to kind of get through some of my serums. I do have a serum currently on the go, however it is full, so I will alternate using two of them. So that might not go down as fast, but I want to use two of them at the same time. I have an item here that I know I'm going to struggle with. It's the Solar Oil by CND for your nails and cuticles. I always forget to use this. I keep one in my office and I always forget to use it. So I thought if I add this in and I keep it in this box in the bathroom, then hopefully it might encourage me after my shower to put some on. That's the plan anyway. The next item I've got here is one, it's the Elma's Frangipani Monoi Body Oil for hair, nail and body. Now, the only reason this is in here, so there's 100 mils, the only reason this is in here is because, I'll take the lid off, right? It's oil, right, but it's hard. So it needs to be warmed up first before you can use it. So I always forget. So I will try and remember. So you put it in a bowl of warm water to return it to a silky liquid, and then you put it on once you've had your shower or your bath or whatever. However, I have never remembered to do that. So that is the plan. I will remember to use that because it's too nice a product just to have sitting there. So the next one is Neil's Yard, and it's the Frankincense Intense Hydrating Essence. So it's essentially it's a bit like, would you kind of say this was a bit like a tonery type thing? I would put this, so I would put my toner on and then this and then my serum, but it's lovely. I've tried a bit of it yesterday, and I think I can see through where it's slightly lighter, where there's less product, so I will be able to mark this. I'm looking forward to using that regularly. I also have a hand cream. Now, I've not been using hand creams for ages because I've been using it with some of my body lotions, but this one I'm really looking forward to trying. It's Bubble Tea Peach Bellini, and it's Soothe and Nourish, but it's massive. It's 90 mils, so that, you know, it won't be a chore at all to use it. It's got the little cap on it. So I'm really looking forward to using this because it'll smell amazing. Because bubble tea products smell fab. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, love it. We're getting there. We're nearly there. So I have these Indeed no acid pads, gentle alternative to acids, 30 in the pack. However, it tells you how they work. They work by using probiotics and extracts from Japanese cedar buds and yarrow to exfoliate skin, formulated to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin texture. However, I need to Google and find out exactly how and at what stage I use them, whether I have to rinse it off or not. I'm not 100% sure, so I will do that. The next product I've got here is one that I do really enjoy as well. It's a bubblegum lip scrub by Lush. However, it takes me ages to get through these, so I thought it might be quite good to pop that in a panning project. Something I like, but something that I really need to use. I've also added in 2 nail polishes, right? And that was because I found these when I was decluttering some things, and I thought I've added them to my nail polish total, but I thought, do you know what? I can add these both to my panning project. So this colour is really pretty. I've actually got it on at the moment. I won't come close because it's all chipped. So I have tried it, and this colour, I know that I'll use that regularly anyway. However, I won't use it exclusively because that will bore me to tears, and I won't finish it. So I'll use it in amongst my other products, but I'll keep it in here so I don't forget. The next products are going to be harder to keep in here. Yeah, I think they're going to have to go in my makeup bag. So this is the number 7 Stay Perfect. It's a black eye pencil. Now, I've not used eye pencil for ages. So it's waterproof as well, which is good and hypoallergenic. So this might be the one I struggle with because I haven't used eye pencil in ages, and the last time I put one in a panning project, yeah, I didn't enjoy it, but hopefully this is a wee bit different. I've also added in, I don't think I've ever panned like a lipstick or a gloss in my life. So I've added in this MaWa. It's kind of like a liquid lipstick, so it's not a gloss. And I added the W7 Lip Twister. I'll show you the colour of this actually. I've not picked a lip liner that matches, to be honest with you. Hey ho, that might have been ideal. So that's the lipstick, but the lip liner can go with other colours that I've got. And that's the lip liner. What I like about the lip liner is you do it like that, so you don't have to sharpen it. And last but not least, this is gorgeous. I tried this last night, the iconic London lip oil. So I will use that twice a day. I do like a lip oil, however I am aware they take forever to use up. However, this one, you know, the applicator is massive, so if you exclude the bubbles, it's not really 100, you know what I mean, it's not full because it has to make room for the applicator, so it's quite a force that you need to push it back in as well, because there's, yeah, anyway. So that's my 22 items. I'll just give you a quick run through. When I was watching Julie and Juella do hers, I was going through going, I've got that, I might add that to mine, I've got that, I might add that to mine. So there was a few that she had. I can remember the Elma, it's the only one I can remember actually. So I'm just going to quickly go through and make sure I do have 22. So I have the MaWa lip product, the lip liner, the eye pencil, the lip oil, the lip scrub, that's 5, the hand cream by Bubble Tea, the 2 nail polishes by Ted Baker, the Frangipani body oil, and the pineapple micro dermabrasion scrub, so that's 10. You see how I'm doing it? The Ritual Sugar Love body spray, the Ecotherapy Revive, the Dr. Teal's Epsom body scrub, the Rituals of Happy Buddha body cream, the No Acid Peels, that's 15, the Lucura Vitamin C Hot Cloth Cleanser, the Nails Yard Frankincense Intense Hydrating Essence, the Illuminating Serum, the L'Occitane, the oil, the glow, and the solar oil. So that is 22. And what I made sure is, initially when I first did this, I wrote it all down. However, I'd left one item to the side, I grabbed another one, and then I thought I've got 23. And I was watching Nicke Pearson and she'd done exactly the same, so she had 23 products. But because I wrote them down and I realised I had lost one, I was able to make sure I've only got 22 in the box. So anyway, I hope you join me next month to see how I've got on. There's no quick wins here. I don't think there's anything I can finish up by the time I film next. I suppose maybe, you know, February's not got that many days, so I can't even finish that up. But I can make a good dent in it. But yeah, I don't think there's anything that I can really finish next month. And what I've decided is that I was going to keep everything until the end, but as I'm using things up, I'm just going to take them out and put them into my empties, because it's quite a lot to leave. I hate clutter. I hate clutter. But this is going to feel really cluttered sitting in my bathroom. So once they're kind of used up, I'm just going to take them straight out, so there'll be less clutter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the kind of video that you like, then stick around. As I say, I'll try and find out who else of my friends is doing this and try and copy them below. We're all posting at different times. Nicke posted today, I'm posting tonight, so I think I'm the last person that I've seen after Nicke to actually do their kind of intro video. So I will catch up with you soon, guys. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye.